Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our General English class. How are you all? Did you complete the writing part of English Unit 6? You need to complete it, students, because that unit will be included in your test, which is on 4th of January. Fine? So you need to complete that and as well as learn it properly. Question answers and meanings and everything you're supposed to learn. Fine? Students, today we'll start with General English. Fine? In General English, we'll start with lesson number 26 and 27, that is homonyms and homophones. It's starting on page number 157 of your General English textbook. Fine? I will explain both the lessons simultaneously because if I explain you together, it will be easy for you. So let us start. Here in the image, you can see homophones. Fine? Homophones are the words that sound the same but have different meaning and spellings. You need to understand very properly. आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छी तरीके से समझना है कि होमोफोन मतलब उसमें साउंड मतलब जब हम प्रोनाउंस करते हैं तब हमको सेम सुनाई देता है, लेकिन उसका जो लिखने का होता है स्पेलिंग वो अलग होता है और उसका जो मीनिंग होता है वो भी अलग होता है. For example, in the above image, you can see pear and pear. Pear and pear. यहाँ पे a pair of socks and pear is a fruit that we eat, right? Similarly, night and night. Here, night we don't read. K is silent over here. So it is night and night. Night means जो रात हो जाती है वो. And night means a fighter, a warrior. Okay? Now above you can see floor and flower. How do we pronounce it regularly? Flower. Floor. It's not like that. It's like floor and flour. The first one is by using that we make chapatis and the second one is of flour. Okay. So students, what do you understand from homophones? Homophones are the words which are pronounced as same but their meaning and spelling are different. Keep in mind, क्या सेम है? साउंड. क्या डिफरेंट है? मीनिंग और स्पेलिंग. क्या सेम है? साउंड. और क्या डिफरेंट है? मीनिंग एंड स्पेलिंग. देन इट इज अ होमोफोन. ओके. सो अ होमोफोन इज अ वर्ड दैट इज प्रोनाउंस्ड सेम as another word but differs in meaning. A homophone may also differ in spelling. The two words may be spelled same, as in ROSE rose, that's a flower, and ROSE rose, that is a past tense of rice. Okay, so this is the definition. Definitions I'll let you know later on from our textbook, but this is what exactly is the definition of a homophone. Now let us look at some more examples of homophones. You can see over here, like the first one is HARE hair and HAIR hair. Hair, that means on our head, and HARE hair, it's a bunny type animal like a rabbit, right? Now the next one is ROAD, that is road on which we travel, and RODE, that is again road, that means to travel. रोड, ROAD मतलब जिस पे हम चला के जाते हैं गाड़ी, साइकिल, वॉटेवर, और वो RODE रोड मतलब चला के जाना, बाइक चलाना. आई रोड अ बाइक, आई रोड अ साइकिल. ओके. Then the next one is RING, ring. Ring means the one we wear in our fingers, and ring means to remove water from clothes, right? Then it is bury and bury. Bury means to dig the ground and then put something inside the ground and hide it. And the other one is berry, that is raspberry, strawberry, like that. Fine. The next one is pick and peak. Peak is the mountain top and the other peak is to hide and see something. The next one is night and night. We have already read about it. Then it is sea and sea. SEAC is the water body that flows into the ocean, and SEEC means you see with your eyes. Similarly, it is right and right. Right means it is the direction, and right means to write down, to jot down, to note down. Fine. Then it is bored and bored. Bored means to become very unexcited, and bored means the writing board, you can say, or anything like that. Fine. The next one is scent and scent. Scent is currency, and the other scent is perfume with a good smell. Fine. Then it is way and way. Way means the weight of a particular thing, and way means the traveling path. Fine. That is the way you want to go, where you want to go, that way. So students, these were some examples of homophone. Now we'll move ahead to homonyms, right? So what is a homonym? A homonym is a word that is the same as another in sound or spelling but different in meaning. So students, you need to understand that homonym में खाली meaning different होता है, बाकी spelling और sound वो दोनों same होता है. बाकी होमोफोन में कैसा होता है, होमोफोन में स्पेलिंग अलग होता है और मीनिंग अलग होता है, लेकिन साउंड सेम होता है. और यहाँ पे साउंड और स्पेलिंग दोनों सेम है, खाली क्या डिफरेंट है, मीनिंग. So students, you need to understand the difference very well. Only then you can understand what exactly is a homonym and a homophone. Homonym में only difference is meaning, while the sound and the spelling both are the same. So that is all about homonym. Whereas in homophone, what it is, different meaning and different spelling. Only sound, that is pronunciation, is the same. So students, this is the basic difference you need to remember very properly, so you don't get confused with homonym and homophone. Now let us have some more examples related to homophone so you can get a good understanding about it. Let us start. So I'll read out the examples along with the meaning so you can see the spelling is same. Pronunciation is also same. What is different, students? Only the meaning, right? The first one is address or address. I can give you the address of a good attorney. That letter was addressed to me. Here address is the particular place, and in the second sentence address means pointing out someone. Okay. The next one is band and band. Band was playing old Beatles songs. She ties her hair back in a band. Many insects are banded black and yellow. So you can see how we use the word band in different meaning in these three sentences. तीनों sentence में band का मतलब अलग है. पहले वाले में band मतलब band of musician है. Second में band means rubber band जो हम अपने बाल में लगाते हैं. और third में band means the strips which are there on insects के ऊपर कलरफुल जो strips होती है, that is the band over here. So एक ही वर्ड को कितनी तरीके से यूज किया, so they are homonyms. Okay. Then we'll move ahead to the next one, that is a bat and bat. Bat means it's a bird which flies in the night, right? And the second one is the bat which we use for playing cricket, right? I am afraid of bats. Here bats is the bird which comes in night, and in the second sentence bat means to play in cricket, right? The next one is match and match. The first match is, if you suspect a gas leak, do not strike a match or use electricity. That is match box में जो हम करते हैं ना, that is matchstick, that is a match. And in the second one, her fingerprints match those found at a scene of crime. Match मतलब same to same होना, that is matching, right? So these two are the matches which are said in the sentences. पहला match वो matches का डब्बा हो सकता है, और दूसरा वाला match मतलब match करना, same to same होना. Okay. Nextly you have right and right. Right means I'm sure I'm right. मैं एकदम सही हूँ. That सही is right. And take a right turn in the intersection. That means you are supposed to take a right direction. तो वहाँ पे secondly right is a direction, and the first one right is that you are correct. And the next one is ring and ring. So ring means the one which we wear in our finger. What a beautiful ring. And second one is forming a circle and sitting down. The children sat on the floor in a ring. Okay. So students, this is the way how it differs, homonyms and homophones. Lesson 26 and lesson 27 are both related, and both of them will come in your test, so you need to learn them very properly. आपको understand करना है कि homonyms जो होते हैं उसमें spelling भी same होता है, pronunciation भी same होता है, different होता है सिर्फ meaning, और जो homophones होते हैं उसमें spelling अलग होता है, pronunciation same होता है, और spelling ही अलग होता है, बाकी pronunciation भी different और meaning भी different होता है. Okay students, hope you understood this. Now let us have some videos so you can understand what I explained. Fine. So let us start with the short video.
Look at Nikki and Ricky holding some words. I hear. I hear. What's special about the words they are holding? In the words held by Nikki and Ricky, I and here sound the same. Many words in English sound the same.
Homophones are words with different spellings but with the same sound. They also have different meanings.
Homonyms are words that have the same spelling and pronunciation but have different meanings. Here are some examples. Bear, animal. Bear, keep in mind. Address, to speak to an audience. Address, where to post a letter. Bark, a tree's outer layer. Bark, the sound a dog makes. Kind, caring. Kind, type. Match, a small wooden stick to make a flame. Match, a good pair. Current, now, up to date. Current, a flow of water. Mean, not nice. Mean, average, as in maths. Spring, the season before summer. Spring, a coiled metal. Fair, light and beautiful. Fair.
To treat equally. Okay students, hope you enjoyed the video. Do complete whatever is being said, right? Complete your English notebooks also and go through the video and revise everything. From tomorrow we'll start with our textbook exercises, so be ready with your textbook. Okay students, see you all tomorrow.